from a photo to an editable document. This is what we're going to do in this tutorial. You're going to learn how you can edit a PDF or a scanned document. So guys,
let's get started.
This is what we're going to do, guys. So first of all, you open a blank page and find in inserts, you can insert your image, right? From inserts, just go ahead and find where your image is in your computer. There, I'm going to find my image. So guys, first of all, you import your picture in your document, then just save this document. You can go ahead and save it as a PDF. Make sure you save this document as a PDF. You can save it wherever you want in your PC. So I'm going just to save it. Find PDF formats down here. As you can see here, save as type. So just find the type here. When you scroll down, you're going to find this PDF file. So you're going to save this document as a PDF. Let me just give it a name like image into, right? This is the name. So I'm going to save it. Let's say, okay, I'm going to save it here in document, PC document. So let me make sure you don't forget where you save it. So now it is saved as a PDF. So now the next thing you are going to do, just close this document. It is already saved, right? It is already saved as a PDF. So guys, the next thing you're going to do after saving your document is just find it, click right, and open it with Word. When you open it with Microsoft Office Word, before opening, Microsoft Office Word is going to tell you that, hey, Word will now convert your PDF into editable Word document. And this is exactly the thing we want. So guys, just go ahead and press on OK. And there we go. Your document is now editable. So your document is now editable, guys, and you can do whatever you want. You can add. Now I want to add something here. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If so, please let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the ring bell so that you get notified with a new tutorial on this HowToDo Technology channel. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.